Today is the real prime day for Amazon investors. The retail juggernaut releasing second quarter earnings after the bell. Stock is down about 3% ahead of the big reveal at $878 billion. Amazon is on the road to a $1 trillion market cap, second only behind Apple in this race. And I say second, that could change. Ahead of the closing bell, is there a move you should be making with Amazon stock? Resource Group Managing Director Burt Flickinger and Benchmark Investments Managing Partner Kevin Kelly join us. Kevin, you already bought today, right? At what price?
At the $820 level.
Okay, so you're down
or
$10.
1,820, yeah. I'm already down, so investors can get in at a better price than I did.
Would you say buy between now and the closing bell ahead of these earnings?
Unequivocally, absolutely. There's never been a better time to put money to face in Amazon than right now.
Burt, tell me how you see this company, because it is really cooking with gas at the moment.
You're right, Liz. I've been recommending it to Fox Business viewers since it was at $5.50. Our target price is $21.50. Amazon's unstoppable. Retail, cloud, web services, et cetera. And while Facebook is falling flat, Amazon really doesn't have any competitors that can stop their monumental growth.
Okay, but before people start firing up their Schwab and Ameritrade accounts to start buying the stock, I do want to pick apart some of this. Let me get to you, Kevin. You tell me, if we look at, for example, Prime Day, what will Prime Day have come in at? Do they break that down? And remember, that site went down. There was such huge traffic on the day of the big Prime moment where they have so many discounts. What do you think happened there? Will they hit that $3+ billion target?
Yeah, I think they could actually do it more, and it's showing you how strong their e-commerce platform is that it actually got shut down. That's signifying the amount of demand. Listen, e-commerce sales are growing 16% year over year, yet they account for less than 10% of overall retail sales. It can only grow from here. And guess what Amazon does? They are going to have the next leg of growth in advertising, and it's through the Alexa. So when you say, Alexa, buy me this, Alexa, buy me that. And so it's only going to reinforce not only their shift in advertising, but also their e-commerce platform.
What about Alexa, Burt? A, do you have one? I won't. I don't want anybody looking, watching, listening. I have enough problems with 2 kids. But give us a sense of how meaningful Alexa sales have become for Amazon.
Liz, neither of us will have it, but many people will. It'll be a $10 billion business by 2020. Completely eclipse Google's home products by a factor of approximately 10 times bigger for Alexa than Google's competitive products. And as Kevin referenced, a lot of good ancillary revenue opportunities, advertising and others. And as sporting goods sales decline, and sporting goods retailers file for bankruptcy, people are sitting on the couch and, as you referenced, telling Alexa what to do, and that's ordering from Amazon. So it's very complementary and all accretive in terms of driving Amazon's sales growth at a rate of $50 billion or more in terms of an increase. Amazon's sales increase each year would make it the 5th largest retailer just in annualized increases.
Couch Potato Nation, you just painted a lovely picture of Cheetos dust all over me and sitting in the Barcalounger. The Supreme Court sales tax decision, anybody see any headwinds from that? Kevin?
No, I mean, just so you know, it shouldn't impact Amazon. They've already been collecting sales taxes. The only thing it could impact is the third-party distributors on Amazon's platform if they're selling through other avenues and venues. But let's break that down. Almost half of all Amazon's e-commerce sales are done through third-party distributors. That lends credence to their online marketplace, where they actually don't even need to carry the cost of goods sold. And you were actually talking about Alexa, right? You can't avoid Alexa anymore. Alexa is going to be deployed in all the Marriotts around the country, so it's going to be integrated in your lifestyle one way or another.
Burt, is there anything that worries you about Amazon? I should ask that. You guys are so positive.
Liz, you're right about the Supreme Court decision with Walmart.com and Walmart's wholly owned subsidiary Jet.com paying taxes ubiquitously. It will affect Amazon that hadn't been paying taxes in counties like Albuquerque, New Mexico, Pittsburgh, Philly, Iowa, and across the country in many places where they didn't have physical facilities. So yes, it will be tantamount to a price increase, as Kevin referenced, through Amazon's affiliate retailers, which is about half the business. But at this point, Walmart and Jet are fighting fiercely and will win. Amazon will continue to win.
Right.
And the price impact players like BJ's Wholesale Club, Walmart, Winco, those will be the big winners going forward. And a lot more bankruptcies, sadly, like Toys R Us to Bon-Ton to originally Barnes or Borders and Circuit City.
Okay. Bert's been right on Amazon. I got to say, props to Kevin. You were so right with our viewers. Back when we talked to you about Facebook, you said get out of it. It has been an issue, but is this a buying opportunity really quickly, Kevin?
No, I don't think so. One of the reasons why is that their core advertising model is under threat, not only from Amazon, but also Google. And so they're going to have a hard time. They should have seen this coming, yet they didn't give the guidance last quarter on it. Now all of a sudden they got blindsided. Get out. Management's not good.